It is a gorgeous night here in East Tennessee. Moon's up there. It is Saturday night. It is the first night. It's actually really chilly. It's like in the high 50s right now. I'm gonna make a fire. We got the puppies out here. Erin's gonna make us some delicious dinner. So hope everybody enjoys hanging out with us.
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. RVTV. We even got our fun Mickey pumpkin going on here. Super cute. They just stick in there so I don't have to go through the trouble of carving it. Maybe I'll carve it when it gets closer to Halloween though. And we got another fun Mickey over here. He lights up, but I'll show you when it's dark. I don't know if you can see it, but all of a sudden there's some crazy jets flying over us. Pretty cool. I feel like we're back at the air show in Fort Lauderdale Beach. There's more. What is going on tonight? We've lived here for 6 months. Never had a jet fly over. Pretty crazy. Cutest puppy in the whole world. What's that airplane, huh? What is that noise? What is that, huh? Cody's just over here. He loves sitting by the fire, warming up. It's actually such a beautiful night tonight. Everybody is out having fires. We love the RV community. Everybody's super nice, super chill. Everybody's out here wondering what these jets are that are going by, but got a beautiful moon up there as well. Love it here. Oh, hello, Erin.
Hi, everybody.
How you doing?
Welcome to the first... Oh my God, Kim. Cody.
Cody just walked with the lead right across the fire to try to get to our neighbors. Right as we were doing that.
Don't do that.
Oh, God. Okay,
And
hi, Erin.
Does our music bother you? Or
No, not at all.
Not at all. Hi.
Well, hi again, Erin. How you doing?
I'm great. Welcome to the first day, or the first cold night of fall that we've had. So we're out here. Everybody in the RV park is making a fire.
Yeah, it
Everybody's
smells
had their dogs
delicious.
out all night. Like, so I'm gonna cook on the Blackstone. We're gonna make some street chicken street tacos, and just hang out.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Let's have some fun.
Woo! All right, so this is what we are making. I got this at Publix in the meat department. Chicken street taco meat. You just basically cook it up, and I just sliced up an onion, just marinated it in a little oil and salt and pepper, and then we're gonna put it in these carb balanced street tortillas.
Yeah.
So hopefully it'll be good. Seems pretty easy, so I'm excited to try it.
Yeah, I just realized I haven't put my face on the vlog yet either.
Oh. Hi, Kim.
I was just filming. Hi, hello everybody. Look, it's sweater weather.
Yep, it's like 50.
Finally. Oh my God, I should show you guys the weather this week. Wait a second. Look at this, 57 right now. And look at the rest of the week. Don't get blurry. High's only 64 tomorrow. We're gonna go to the Weir's Valley Fall Festival. Yes, in the 30s and 40s at night. I've been waiting for this weather.
I know. I'm so excited. We're starting to see that the leaves really changing.
Yes.
Even the mountains, there you can see it's all red
you
at
can
the
see
top.
it's right at the top. So we're gonna do some like mountain drives.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go to Cade's Cove.
Yeah, definitely. I want to do Cade's
I want to
Cove
go
for
to
sure.
Klingman's Dome.
Yeah.
I've been waiting for the leaves to change to try to do more like outside stuff to show you guys, but we're gonna do it.
We got a little bit of time, but we're gonna shove as much in as we can. All right, I'm dropping the meat.
Yummy! Hope it's good. It may not be. We'll see.
Yeah, we're hoping for the best here.
Is there any other pyromaniacs out there obsessed with playing with fire like I am? I just use my tongs. I know I'm not the only one. How's it looking?
Just trying to get into like one layer. Let it cook a few minutes and then flip it over.
I think it's gonna be like a not like foggy night here. Looks like it's gonna be pretty clear.
I'm excited.
And maybe we'll see some stars.
Look at, is that a plane or a star? Something super bright over to the right. Cody?
I don't know. A lot of nights up here in the mountains, it gets really foggy. In the early mornings too a lot. But tonight it looks like it's going to be a clear night, so hopefully we can see some stars. Peppers and onions!
Yeah, just a little bit. Just have a little something. Put on the tacos.
Smells so good.
And then for the last few minutes, you just have to cover it. Let it cook all the way.
Ta-da!
So I'm putting down some oil.
We're gonna toast our buns.
Yes, tortillas.
I'm excited and hungry.
Now.
Is it chicken yet?
Yeah, I already finished the onions, so I took those off. Yeah, I think we're good.
Alrighty. Sorry, we're a little in the dark.
Yeah. We decided to eat outside because it is...
Because it's 54 degrees.
It's
like,
gorgeous, so...
who wouldn't want to...
We tried to use the
cold.
lantern, it was not doing great, but yeah, here we are. So we have our little jiggers.
What's that black stuff?
Our toast. Oh, probably a little bit of onion that was left on the cooked on the Blackstone.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Are you making mine?
You can do what you want.
I'm working over here. Onions. Queso. I'm excited.
I mean, I just have like sour cream and this stuff I love. If you like a zesty something for your tacos or whatever.
Ranch.
It's
Really good.
Yeah.
We got our pumpkin friends over here. Hi, Mickey. We'll see you soon. Oh, our light broke in our pumpkin last night. We had a windstorm.
Yeah, in October.
Yeah, it literally rained all night. That's why it's cold now. It like brought the cold. So
Yeah.
I'm like, yes.
Yeah, we're not mad about it.
Nope. Our fire is still going strong over there, but it's not keeping me very warm this far away.
I'm going in.
Did you put the sauce on it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think it's good.
It is.
Here's what mine look like.
The chicken's really flavorful. Whatever they marinated in.
And it's
really
keto,
good.
right?
Mhm.
These are the carb wraps.
Yep. Very low carb.
Yay.
Mhm.
The birds here are crazy at nighttime. What's happening, Erin?
They get crazy every night.
All of a sudden, like the last month or so, maybe, right?
I thought
At
they were
nighttime.
bats. I
Yeah.
thought they were bats because their screech is.
Are you
Of course,
sure?
they stop as soon as like
Yeah.
stop talking. But their screech is so like it's like we hear it in the RV with the AC on, like TV
Uh-huh.
on. You can hear them freaking.
Are you sure they're not bats?
No, I've seen them. They're the birds.
They're the birds?
Mhm.
It's crazy. These are so
They're
loud.
like nocturnal birds.
Yeah. These are so good. I'm on number 3, but they're like little tiny tacos, but so good. The chicken like really like took on like the flavor of like the Blackstone,
Oh, yeah.
like and the wraps too.
It's really, really
So good. Get that chicken right. You didn't have to do nothing, right?
Mm-mm.
It's all marinated, everything all already.
Cook it. Okay.
Cook it.
It was amazing.
Easy. You get it off easier. All right, we just ditched our dinner real quick because we got freezing.
Yeah, it's 50
So-
degrees right now.
We came to get warm.
I do have my warm socks on already.
Ooh, Erin got new Crocs. You got to show them your new ones.
Oh, I will.
Ooh,
I got 'em for Disney.
This lighting is
Yeah.
horrible. He's a bad lightman.
It's such a beautiful night though. Like the moon, the stars, like it's beautiful. I'm so ready for the season and I'm freezing. But in a good way.
Can you guys see the stars? There's one. There's the moon.
The moon is so bright.
It's definitely helping us keep warm. The puppies even came back outside.
Yeah.
Can you see them? It's really dark. There we go. There they are.
They're very interested in the neighbors.
Look, they have the same exact stripe on the back of their heads. Everybody's outside with their fires. We're walking the dogs. I'm sure you can't see. People got TVs outside with their fires. I'm jealous we don't have a built-in TV. You want to go to the park? You want to go to the park? Okay, it's the next day.
Hi everybody.
We're gonna go take the park. Take the park.
Nope.
Take the dog. Take the dogs to
The field?
the field.
The field.
I call it the park so they get excited. He knows what the PARK is. We're going, Cody. We're going. Let's go. So there's this gorgeous field right here next to our RV park that we love to take the dogs to. Let them off the leash, let them run around a little bit. Look at this view of this whole field here that they love to run around in. Come on, Zachary, let's go. Zachary! Ah! Come here, baby. So fun. It's Cody. I'm trying to run, but it's kind of hard to run with the camera. Go play. Go. Come on, my baby. They're old men, but they still love to run around a little bit. It's actually all the way up there. I'm gonna show you what's on the other side of this hill. Just another big giant field over here with these gorgeous views. It's so peaceful, so quiet, so chill. And the puppies love it. You're gonna come out here and do like a picnic one day?
Yeah, I would love to.
That would be perfect.
Yeah,
like a sunset picnic out here.
This view is nice.
At least it's beautiful while there's no bugs out. Today's a gorgeous day.
For real. Who's going poo-poo? Anybody's going poo-poo?
Love it here so much. We're gonna miss these mountains more than you guys know. Can't wait to come back though. Come on, Cody, you can do it. He's out of breath. But they love coming out here, getting some exercise. We get some exercise too. Zachary's way up there. Zachary, wait for me.
Thanks for hanging out with us the last couple days. We had a good time. Enjoying the beautiful weather we've been waiting so long for.
Those chicken tacos were delicious.
Oh my god, so good. I suggest trying them. If you see that package at Publix,
that was easy.
Give it a try. It's so worth it. Really, really good.
The dogs had fun running around out here in the field.
Oh, I didn't show you my Crocs yet.
Oh yeah. Can you see them?
Mickey Mouse.
They're like navy blue and like black flannel with the Mickey Mouse.
Yeah.
I know we had gone to the Crocs store at the outlets here and we couldn't find anything, so she ordered them online.
Yep, and I love them. They fit
And
perfect.
they're
super.
awesome.
The Crocs are so comfortable. If anybody's curious about trying them, if you do it, you're gonna be hooked. So. But again, thanks guys. Woo! I got a bug. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new here, turn on notifications, share with your friends, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye guys.
Say bye. No, we're too busy eating grass.
Woo!